Hey, what's going on, guys? I hope you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I know that this year we're not able to gather with friends and families as we do years before, but I hope you guys made the best of it. So I want to talk about this topic. I do see been asked around the Facebook forum about what is the best lens, what is the best portrait lens, what is the best wide-angle lens. It all depends on what your need and what you're trying to achieve. Okay. For example, okay, if you are in a tight spot and you have 85mm focal length and you're trying to get a group photo of 10 people, that focal length right there is not going to work.
It's not gonna work.
Vice versa, if you are in an open wider environment and you're trying to get a shot from a distance from that for the other subject, that wide angle lens is not going to work. Okay, so for my personal experience, if this is your first lens that you're trying to get, I would probably get a 35mm focal length. It's more versatile. It's not too wide, not too tight. Or if you like zoom lens, you can get zoom lens too. But as me being a videographer for about 7 years now, I would probably get a 35 for my needs. If you find that this video is helpful for you to understand, to decide what lens you're trying to get next, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be glad to appreciate it to help me to be more motivated to continue to make these content for you guys. Other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys later.